One of the most common questions businesses ask when considering new accounting software is, how much does it cost? When it comes to Sage, the answer isn't a simple dollar figure. Sage offers a vast ecosystem of accounting and business management solutions, ranging from basic cloud accounting for sole traders to sophisticated enterprise resource planning, ERP, systems for large, complex organizations. As an accounting software expert, I can tell you that understanding the pricing structure requires a bit of demystification. Instead of a single license cost, Sage's pricing is highly dependent on several key factors. Let's break them down. The Sage Spectrum, different products for different needs. The first and most significant factor influencing the cost of a Sage license is which Sage product you need. Think of Sage like a car manufacturer. They produce everything from compact sedans to heavy-duty trucks, and each comes with a different price tag. Here are the main categories of Sage accounting software and what kind of businesses they typically serve. Sage Business Cloud Accounting, formerly Sage 1. Who it's for? Sole traders, freelancers, microbusinesses, and very small businesses. What it does. This is Sage's entry-level, fully cloud-based solution. It handles essential accounting tasks like invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and basic reporting. It's designed for simplicity and ease of use. Pricing model. Typically a monthly subscription. Cost expectation. This is the most affordable Sage option, usually ranging from £15 to £59 per month, or equivalent in USD, depending on the tier, e.g., Start, Standard, Plus, and features like multi-currency support or advanced reporting. Annual subscriptions often offer a discount. Sage 50, formerly Sage 50 Cloud Accounting. Who it's for? Small to medium-sized businesses, SMBs, that need more robust features than basic cloud accounting but aren't ready for a full ERP system. What it does. Sage 50 blends desktop accounting software with cloud connectivity, hence the cloud in its former name. It offers comprehensive features for managing inventory, job costing, payroll integration, advanced sales and purchase ledger management, and more detailed reporting. Deployment. Primarily an on-premise, desktop, installation with cloud features for data backup and remote access. Pricing model. Typically an annual subscription, often billed monthly. Cost expectation. Sage 50 has different editions, Pro, Premium, Quantum, with increasing functionality and user limits. A single user license can range from around £600 to over £1,700 annually, or equivalent in USD. The cost increases significantly with more users and higher-tier editions. For example, a 3-user Quantum edition might cost over £2,500 annually. Sage 200, formerly Sage 200 Cloud Professional/Standard. Who it's for? Growing medium-sized businesses that require advanced financial management, project accounting, manufacturing, or distribution capabilities. What it does. Sage 200 offers a deeper level of functionality than Sage 50, providing modules for manufacturing, project accounting, more sophisticated inventory control, and robust business intelligence. It's designed for businesses with more complex processes and higher transaction volumes. Deployment. Available as both a cloud-based solution, standard, and a more customizable on-premise/hosted solution, professional. Pricing model. Primarily monthly subscription. Cost expectation. This is a significant jump in pricing due to its expanded capabilities. Prices can start from around £300 per month for the base standard version, including a few users, and go upwards of £750 plus per month for Sage 200 Professional with additional modules and more users. The exact cost is almost always based on a tailored quote. Sage Intact. Who it's for? Medium to large businesses and rapidly growing organizations, especially those with multiple entities, complex revenue recognition needs, or significant reporting requirements. What it does. Sage Intact is a powerful, true cloud-native financial management platform. It excels in automation, deep financial insights, multi-entity consolidations, and advanced reporting. It's often chosen by businesses transitioning from simpler accounting software as they scale. Deployment. Fully cloud-based. Pricing model. subscription-based, highly customized. Cost expectation. Pricing for Sage Intacct is typically not advertised publicly and requires a direct quote. Annual costs can start from around £6,500 and easily go upwards of £15,000 to £35,000 plus per year for larger implementations with more users and modules. Sage X3, who it's for, large enterprises and multinational corporations with highly complex business processes, extensive supply chains, and demanding manufacturing or distribution needs. What it does. Sage X3 is a comprehensive ERP solution that integrates all core business functions, finance, manufacturing, distribution, supply chain, and more into a single system. It offers deep customization and scalability. Deployment. Available as both on-premise and cloud-hosted. Pricing model. Complex, often involving perpetual licenses with annual maintenance or high-tier subscriptions. Cost expectation. This is Sage's enterprise-level offering, and the cost can be substantial. Implementations can range from tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of dollars to pounds annually, factoring in extensive customization, implementation services, and ongoing support. Key factors driving the cost beyond the product itself. Once you've identified the right Sage product family, several other factors will refine the final license cost. Number of users. This is a major cost driver across all Sage products, especially for multi-user versions like Sage 50, Sage 200, and the enterprise-level solutions. More users almost always mean a higher price. Modules and features. While a base package will include core accounting functions, businesses often need additional modules for specific needs like payroll, advanced inventory, project management, customer relationship management, CRM, or manufacturing. Each added module increases the cost. Deployment type. Cloud-based SaaS software as a service. These are subscription models where Sage hosts the software, and you access it via the internet. They typically involve lower upfront costs but ongoing monthly or annual fees. Maintenance, updates, and infrastructure are handled by Sage. On-premise, desktop, you purchase a license or subscribe annually and install the software on your own servers or computers. This usually means higher upfront costs for hardware and IT infrastructure, but you might have more control over data and customization. You're also responsible for your own IT maintenance. Support and training. While some basic support might be included, premium support plans, dedicated account managers, and in-depth training sessions, especially for more complex systems like Sage 200 or X3, will add to the overall cost. Implementation services. For larger, more complex solutions, Sage 200, Intacct, X3, the license cost is just one part of the total investment. You'll need to budget for implementation partners to help with installation, configuration, data migration, customization, and user training. These services can range from a few thousand to tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars, depending on the complexity of your business and the extent of customization required.